Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today, I share with you this coconut and corned beef jollof rice recipe that you will love very, very well. In fact, this is one of the best jollof rice I've ever made. They really enjoyed this, and I hope you're going to try this for your family as well. So now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. To begin with, we will start by making the stew. So to a heated pot, I'll go in with my cooking oil. Use any cooking oil of your choice. I'm using vegetable cooking oil, right? So next to seasoning this cooking oil, I'll go in with some natural spices. I'll leave everything in the description box for you to check it out. I love doing this anytime I really want to have a good taste of what I'm preparing, so you can try this as well. So after the oil is nice and well heated, I'll go in with my blended pepper, garlic and ginger, and also a little bit of onions as well. I'll stir everything together. I'll cover and allow it to cook until the base of the stew is nice and ready. So as I said, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. This recipe was just a very quick one, so if I'm going too far, just have to pardon me for it. All right. So after the sauce is also ready, the pepper mix is also ready, I'll go in with my tomato paste. I will give it a very good mix and allow it to cook until it's also nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time. So now let's cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst that is going on, let me use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So I added in some chicken stock, which unfortunately the camera couldn't capture it, but we move. All right. All right, so I'm going to cover it for the last time, and after about 10 minutes, this is how it looks like. It is all ready and doing all perfect. So I'm going to go in with my seasoning of choice. I'll be adding in some nutmeg, stew seasoning powder or jollof stew seasoning powder, and I'll give it a good mix. Since I'm making corned beef jollof stew, the corned beef contains a little bit of salt, so I won't be going in with salt right now. So moving forward, I'll be going in with some mackerel in tomato sauce. You all know how much I love mackerel in tomato sauce anytime I'm making stew or jollof. I just love the rich taste it has to whatever I'm preparing. So if you don't love it, you can just omit it totally. So I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover and allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes, and afterwards we are back to check on the stew. It's doing all perfect and just ready. So moving forward, I'll go in with my corned beef. You can as well use any protein of your choice, but for today we are just focusing on the corned beef, and it's so perfect for this jollof rice. I'll give it a good mix, and since the corned beef contains a little bit of salt, I will now taste it to see if the salt is perfect. If not, I'll go in with just a little bit of salt, and I needed to go in with about half tablespoon of salt. I'll give it a good mix and it should be perfect. So I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover and allow it to do its own thing for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes the stew should be ready. Now just look at how palatable this looks. So now I'm going to transfer this into a different pot, which I'll be cooking the jollof rice in. Alright, so whilst that is done, I'll go in with some coconut milk, which will give the jollof rice extra taste. Trust me on this one. I'll also go in with my rice. I'm using perfumed rice. You can as well use any type of rice that you want, and don't worry, I'm going to be listing the quantity and everything I used in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I'll go in with some water, and jollof rice doesn't need a lot of water, so when going in with water, you just have to be mindful with it. After going in with the water, the taste of salt will reduce a little bit. If you don't love to go in with more salt, you can just omit it, and that's just perfect. But I need to go in with just a little bit of salt to balance the taste very well. Also, make sure to cook this on low medium heat for you to get the perfect results. So now let's stir everything and cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. Remember as well to check it from time to time. So after about 10 minutes of cooking this on low medium heat, I am back to check on it, and it's doing just perfect. So I'll give it a good mix. I'll cover again and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and perfect. Whilst that is going on, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Also, don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now the rice is in good shape, and as you can see, it's almost done. So I'll cover it with some clean napkin or any other thing like parchment paper to retain the heat inside so that the rice will cook perfectly fine. So I'll cover it for about 5 minutes and it should be ready. And after about 5 minutes, this is how the rice turned out. As you can see, the rice turned out so good, and it's just perfect. At this point, the rice is ready. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this corned beef and coconut jollof rice recipe. It turned out so great, and I hope you're going to try this recipe as well. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy till this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much, and can you stay blessed. Bye.